In today's video, I'll explain how to delete your incognito history on Google Chrome for iPhone. Let's get right into it first. It's important to understand how incognito mode works when you use Chrome's incognito mode. None of your browsing history is stored on the browser. This means there's no actual history from your incognito sessions to delete. Chrome doesn't save the websites you visit or any searches you make in incognito mode, so there's no need to worry about clearing it because it simply doesn't exist. However, if you want to delete the browsing history that's saved when you're using Chrome outside of incognito mode, here's how you do it. Start by opening the Google Chrome app on your iPhone. Once you've got Chrome open, tap the three dots in the bottom right corner of the screen to open the menu. From there, select History from the options. This will show you the browsing history that's been saved during your regular browsing sessions. If you want to delete this history, you can easily do so by tapping Clear Browsing Data in the History section. This will allow you to remove any saved data from your previous browsing session. So to recap, there's no need to delete incognito history because Chrome doesn't store it in the first place. But if you're concerned about the history that's saved during your regular browsing, you can always clear it through Chrome settings. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more.